geobyte.
Dear students, look at the another important question. It is asked like this. In an experiment to measure focal length f of convex lens, the least counts of the measuring scales for the position of object u and for the position of image v are delta u and delta v respectively. It means delta u be the least count of the object position, whereas delta V be the least count of the image position. The error in the measurement of the focal length of the convex lens will be indirectly you're asked to decide what is the least count of the focal length. Okay. Now it is given that f equal to focal length, f equal to focal length, u equal to object position, object position, v equal to image position. Okay. Now, given that the least count for object position delta u, least count for image position delta v, you are asked to decide what is the least count of focal length delta f. Okay. Dear friends, remember for the convex lens, for the convex lens, the relation between the above three quantities is 1 by f equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. Okay, now let us write in terms of error delta v by delta f. एक minute. Delta f by f, delta f by f square is equal to delta u by u square plus delta v by v square. From this, delta f, that is the least count of the focal length, equal to f square into delta u by u square plus delta v by v square. That is the answer. Look at the options. Look at the option C. F square delta u by u square. Printing mistake. Plus delta v by v square. Option C is absolutely correct. Okay, understood clearly? Yes. Then look at the another question. Try to read it clearly. Two forces F1 and F2 are acting on a body. One force has magnitude thrice that of the other force, and the resultant of the two forces is equal to the force of the larger magnitude. It is like this. If I say F1 bar equal to F, the second force F2 bar equal to 3 times the F1 bar. Indirectly it is equal to 3F. Not only F2, the resultant force is right of the larger magnitude. That means the resultant force are also equal to F2 bar, that is equal to 3F. The angle between F1 and F2 is cos inverse 1 by n. Cos means theta equal to cos inverse 1 by n. The value of n will be, the modulus of n value is how much? That's the question. Now let us take the help of parallelogram. R square equal to F1 square plus F2 square plus 2F1 F2 cos theta, R equal to 3F whole square F square plus 3F whole square plus 2F 3F into cos theta. Are you following clearly? Yes. Here it is 9F square is equal to F square plus 9F square plus 6f square cos theta. 9f square equal to 10f square plus 6f square cos theta. F square can be cancelled on both sides. So finally it is 9 equal to 10 plus 6 cos theta. Right, 9 minus 10 is equal to 6 cos theta. 6 cos theta is equal to minus 1. Cos theta equal to minus 1 by 6. Theta equal to cos inverse 1 by minus 6. But what it is given? It is given that theta equal to cos inverse 1 by n. Here modulus of, here n value equal to minus 6. Modulus of n equal to 6. So the answer is 6. Understood clearly? Yes. Then look at the another important question. It is match list 1 with list 2 kind of question. Under list 1, some numbers are given. List 2, right? List 2 significant figures. Okay. Before going to select the answer, look at the rules for significant figures. Already we have discussed. It is a kind of revision. Look at the first rule. All non-zero numbers are significant. All non-zero numbers are coming under significant. Zeros between two non-zero digits also significant. Zeros between 0 or zeros between any two or more non-zero digits, right? Between any two non-zero digits are coming under significant. Next, leading zeros are not significant. Leading zeros never be coming under significant. Trailing zeros to the right of the decimal are significant, right? So after the decimal point, the trailing zeros are coming under significant. Trailing zeros in a whole number with the decimal shown are significant. Trailing zeros in a whole number with a decimal are coming under significant. Trailing zeros in a whole numbers with no decimal shown are not coming under significant. These are all the points already we have discussed. Having this information, look at the options. Look at the options. Here 1001. It has four significant numbers, right? Next, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0.1. These are not significant. These three are significant. Next, all are coming under significant. These five are coming under significant. So here, look at the answer. Here the answer is A, uh, A2, 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 B1, B1, C, C4, C4, D3. These are the correct answer. A2, B1, C4, D3. Option C is absolutely correct. Understood clearly? Yes. Then look at the another question. Try to read it clearly. It is asked like this. The radius R, length L, and resistance R of a metal wire was measuring in the laboratory as R is given, Kepler. Here Kepler be the resistance, small r be the radius, L be the length. The percentage error in the resistivity of the material of the wire is, you know, the resistance R equal to rho L by A. From this rho equal to R A by L. Or here A, I can write pi small r square divided by L. From this I can write that. So resistivity rho is proportional to Kepler, that is resistance, square of the radius dividing by square of the radius of the wire dividing by L. So let us take another slide. The resistivity rho is proportional to capital R small r square divided by L. Now for let us write in terms of what percentage of error. Delta rho by rho is equal to delta R by R plus 2 small delta R by R plus delta L by L. So delta, look at the capital R, 100 plus or minus 10. Delta R is, this is the delta R, this is the R. So 10 by 100, it is 10 by 100 plus 2 into small r. This is the delta R, this is the R. 0.05 by 0.35, 0.035 by 0.035, 0.05 by 0.05 by 0.35, 0.05 by 0.35, okay, plus delta L. This is the delta L. 0.2 by 15, 0.2 by 15. For getting in percentage of the error, delta rho by rho in percentage multiply with 100. You simplify this for getting 39.9 percentage. That is the percentage of the error in the resistivity, 39.9. Look at the option B. Option B is absolutely correct. Understood clearly? The problem is looking lengthy, but its solution is very easy. But you need to remember this relation between the resistance, resistivity of the wire, length of the wire, and area of cross section of the wire. Okay, similarly, let us take another problem. Look at this one. It is asked like this. If two vectors A and B having equal magnitude R are inclined at an angle theta, then, okay, different options are given. It is given vector A equal to vector B is equal to R. Okay, what is the value of angle? You know, right? Parallelogram theorem, right? Here already it is given A bar equal to B bar equal to R. R dash equal to root over A square. A square means R square plus B square R square plus 2RR into cos theta. Then R dash equal to root over 2R square plus 2R square cos theta. R dash equal to, I can write 2R square outside, 1 plus cos theta. It is equal to R into root 2 into root over 1 plus cos theta. Dear friends, remember 1 plus cos theta equal to 2 cos square theta by 2. Okay, so let us write that part. R dash equal to root 2 R into 1 plus cos theta root 2 into R into, right, 2 cos square theta by 2. So it is root 2 into root 2 into R into cos theta by 2. It is equal to 2R cos theta. That is the resultant. That is the resultant. 2R cos theta by 2. 2R cos theta by 2. So that is the resultant now. Since it is the resultant, A bar plus B bar is equal to the resultant is equal to 2R 2R cos theta by. That is the answer. Option C is absolutely correct. Understood clearly? Yes.
Geobyte.